Very good morning, all of you. Here, Dr. Dristipal Singh Parihar, Assistant Professor, Sage University, and the School of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences. Hi, friends. In previous year, we have completed our ancient India. As we know that from 2,50,000 BC to 1200 AD, we have to read history as the ancient India. Here, from 1200 to 1526, we have to cover the first part of the medieval India, that is Delhi Sultanate. Before Delhi Sultanate, the Arab invasion, the concept of Islam, as well as Mughals later on. So, no doubt, the very interesting as well as the very comfortable topic for all the students of history. One more thing, dear students, the medieval India covers near about 30 to 40% weightage in UPSC as well as state PSCs as well as the general under the topic of general studies too. So when we are reading medieval India, it would be a very careful for each and every student to go through very carefully. So what we have to read in this particular session, with the help of slide, I am going to tell you. Friends, under the medieval India, the period of medieval India from 1200 to actually the medieval India goes from 1707, the death of the Aurangzeb, but particular slide is dedicated only and only for the Delhi Sultanate and later on. So what we have to read in this particular session, first the basic concepts of Islam. After that Arab invasion, as you know that in year 1712 AD, Muhammad bin Qasim was the first Arab who invaded in India, in Sindh. But the Arabs were failed to to maintain or to make their empire in the India. They were succeeded by the Turkish. When Turks invaded in India, they successful in made their state in India. So this particular invaders, we have to read under the Delhi Sultanate. The first dynasty who made the Delhi Sultanate was Ilbari dynasty. Second, Khalji dynasty. Third one is Tughlaq dynasty. Fourth is Sayyid dynasty, and the last one is the Lodi dynasty. With this, as we know that as the Delhi Sultanate has gone to the gone to the declinement, various new provincial states also were established at that time. The major provincial states at that time was Vijayanagar and the Bahmani, in which the Bahmani is too very important because too many questions in the UPSC covered by the Vijayanagar Empire. Later on, we move to the Bhakti as well as the Sufi movement. With the Bhakti and Sufi movement, we end the Delhi Sultanate, and after that, we have to move to the Mughals. So, in this particular slide, we only and only talk about the Delhi Sultanate from the time period of 1206 to 1506 only. So, for the more discussion, we have to come in the class and we would talk about all the topics which I have set in this particular slide. So bye bye for this time. Bye bye, guys. All of you. Take care. Bye bye.